Hey there, I'm so glad you're here. I can't wait to learn with you today. We'll be focused on fluency, but I also have a new activity for us that I think you'll love. Today is Module 2, Cycle 12, Lesson 59.
Materials!
You'll need your thinking cap for sure. Thumbs up when you're ready to go. Follow along with each learning target. I can identify homophones and determine what they mean and when to use them. That's our new activity. The second learning target says, I can read a text fluently, smoothly, with expression and meaning, rereading and self-correcting when necessary.
Transition song!
Can you take a closer look, a closer look, a closer look? Can you take a closer look at these words today?
Word work!
Just like the learning target said, we'll be looking at something called homophones. Listen carefully to this sentence and see if you can hear 3 words that sound exactly the same. Are you ready? Sam and Dad went to Soup for You. They got 2 sandwiches and some soup too. What word did you hear several times? That's right. It was the word to. In that sentence, I used the word to 3 times, but each time it was spelled differently. We had to, T-W-O, to, T-O-O, and to, T-O. First, let's talk about T-W-O. That's like the number. They got 2 sandwiches. That second to, T-O-O, means extra or also. In our sentence, you heard they got soup too, meaning they already had sandwiches and they got something extra, which was the soup. And that final to, T-O, usually means motion or direction. They went to Soup for You, the new restaurant. Here I have a sentence, but it has so many blanks in it. I need your help figuring out which to put in which blank. Listen now. The blank boys want blank go blank the zoo blank, but it is blank late. Wow, that sounds confusing with blanks in it. I'm giving you a clue that to can fill every blank, but it's a whole bunch of different kinds. See if you can help me. Let's start with the first one. The blank boys. That's right. We'll put in 2 like the number. The suffix s on the end of boy, boys, tells us there's more than one. So in this case, there's 2 boys. Let's keep going. The 2 boys want blank go. It doesn't make sense for it to be the number or to mean extra. They must be going somewhere, showing motion or direction. It must be T-O. The 2 boys want to go blank the zoo. They are going somewhere. Again, it's T-O, showing motion or direction. The 2 boys want to go to the zoo blank. Want to go to the zoo too? That doesn't seem right. It must be T-O-O, meaning also or extra. There are more people that want to go. There it is. But it is blank late. The number doesn't make sense, and neither does direction. It must be TOO again. Read the full sentence with me. The two boys want to go to the zoo too, but it is too late. Remember, those are called homophones. That's when a word sounds the same, but is spelled differently and usually means something different too.
Transition song.
Can you read this fluently, smoothly, with expression, please? Can you read this fluently with expression and with meaning?
Fluency.
Help me out by reading this excerpt from Too Many Options. Remember, we're practicing fluency, so my voice should express the meaning from the story. I'll also be using those punctuation clues to help me read at just the right speed, showing expression. Let's try it once first. Soup for You is a new place to eat. It just opened near Sam's home. Sam and Dad want to go for lunch. No, of course that was not fluent reading. It was way too fast, and I didn't pause at all. Help me do it better this time. Try to read it along with me. Soup for You is a new place to eat. It just opened near Sam's home. Sam and Dad want to go for lunch. That was so much better. Notice how I was able to slow down and pause at each period. That was much more fluent. Sam and Dad walk down the block. They bring their coupon for a free bag of chips. There is a large crowd there. Other people want to try the new place too. They get in line and look at the list of soups and other lunch stuff. There are so many options. Sam doesn't know which soup he wants. He reads the list and thinks. He gets the clam chowder. Then he looks at the chips. So many options. I don't know which one to get, says Sam. He looks at the group of chips. Then he points to the plain chips. Dad picks them up and puts them on their tray. Then they come to the drinks. More options. Sam doesn't know which one to get. I don't know what I want to drink, says Sam. He thinks. Then he gets the orange soda. Sam and Dad get their food and pay. They sit down to enjoy their meal. Sam takes a bite. The soup is boiling hot. He blows on it. Now it is okay to eat. After he takes a bite, he says, "Yum! This is the best soup I have ever had. I picked the right option." Dad smiles. Thanks for reading with me.
Closing reflection.
What does it sound like or look like to be a proficient reader? Say it with me. Reading smoothly, with expression and meaning, and at just the right speed. That's reading with fluency. Remember to practice what we did today when you are reading on your own. Thanks for joining me again today. I hope you've been practicing your fluent reading. I'll see you again next time.